What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free dice, dreams, rolls and coins to upgrade and build kingdoms quickly in the game. So I'm going to click out of this. As you can see on your screen, I have over 11 million coins in my account, and I can use the free dice dreams coins to upgrade kingdoms and defend it from other players in the game. Trust me guys, this makes Dice Dreams game a lot more fun. So if go over to the shop section, and as you can see right here, my Dice Dreams coins balance remains 100% the same. And I also have over 1 million rolls in my balance as well, which I got for free, by the way. This method works for both iOS and Android. Just open any browser on your device and go to gemtoaster.com. It will bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the Dice Dreams event, then click on it. It will bring you to this page, which is an exclusive event that has been giving Dice Dreams users up to 500,000 free rolls and coins. And to receive the free rolls, just go to the shop section of your Dice Dreams account to find your username. Then input it in this box, then click on the receive button below. It will then begin a search for your account in order to bind the rolls and coins successfully. Once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button to prove you are a human and not a bot, and you will receive the rolls and coins in your account instantly.